set up here. Alright, let's get started. Welcome to another Charts After Dark live stream, fam. Cam came right into the chat and said, "We back, yes sir, we back." It's felt like it's been forever since we did one of these right here, man. And of course, as soon as your boy go live, I seen this close above. I'm like, oh yeah, let's keep going. And then we got a nice little retracement. But long story short though, fellas, we're still in this range. It's important to hold this blue line, and the longer we've been in this range, that purple line didn't caught up, buddy. It didn't caught up. Yes, it did, man. So I don't even think we hit that red line anymore, man. So you're looking at a 50 million support guaranteed at this point almost, man, for sure. Welcome to the stream, everybody. If this is your first Charts After Dark stream, I have to keep it low profile. This is the vibe. This is the vibe that we're in on the Charts After Dark stream. It's late, you know, you got fam sleeping, wife, the kids, the neighbors. Who cares about the neighbors though? Yo, OZ Gaming, man, what's up, man? Welcome back to another late night stream, brother. Looking at this here, we'll play around. We'll be here for the next couple hours, man, and see what happens. Oh, I appreciate that, Gaming, man. If I would have guessed, I thought you were already subscribed, man, but I appreciate that. I always appreciate you guys coming in, liking, and subscribing. I don't think I ever asked you guys to do that, but it's grateful, man. I'm grateful. This line been holding up pretty darn well, man. Pretty darn well, if I must say. Look at that. And then yeah, we did get that green after. Well, I thought this one would be green. I was like, oh, we got 4 red in a row. Looking for this one to be green, this one to be higher. That was not. Oh shit! You said you can't hear me. What can I do? Maybe I can turn down the music a little bit. Is the music a little too loud? Yeah, OZ, my fault. I'm gonna come into the mic a little more, man. I gotta kind of keep it low profile on the night stream, man. But I will say, if you can hear this loud and clear, that this Friday night, my wife will be out of town with her mom and her sister. So if I stream Friday night, man, it's gonna be loud and live. Loud and live, man. If I was to play around with this here, it's gonna be a butt hit on me. wants to play around on this, man. We getting to the point where this freaker is about to go. I mean, if you guys remember this chart right here, the one that I've been using since September. Oh, my computer moving pretty slow right now. Okay, there we go. Alright, remember this chart here. Look, it's like tilted a little bit. But I really do full-time charts on Mexi now, since Cam told me about Clash being on here. So you know this gotta be fixed. I don't like it to touch the candles. Dude, yeah. Man. If I was making a baccarat black bet here for, banker and player, but we're talking crypto, so we're talking about green or red, we're out of here, man. This is either green or this is for sure green, and we're out of here. This is the daily. But we're still in this zone. Like when we was in this zone here, came down, got back into the zone. We're in this zone. I don't think you guys get a chance to see let me come out of the chat. Bro, if you really want traffic, your YouTube title should start with Clash. It's on fire. Okay, noted. I got you. Call to action, get them interested, tell us some jokes. That looks good. We are so ready to bounce. You're talking so low. Can't hear you. So low. Yeah, man, look. My wife is behind me in the bed, man. I woke her up one time on the stream and she took it easy on me. I didn't get kicked like I thought I would. So, you say can you understand can anybody understand anything that I'm saying? I'm gonna look at my mixer real quick to see if I can do anything on there too. Turn this mic up some. Alright, it might be a little louder now. I just turned it up on my interface. See how high I can go in there. Let's see if that's a little better for you guys right there. Cam said, I do the joke telling here, but we can't piss our wives off not until Clash has 1 billion at least. Yeah, you ain't lying. You ain't lying, man. The wordplay said yes. Okay, so that was the trick. I just had to turn it up on the interface. Back when we was over here, when this line was a little lower and it caught up, I kept saying that 46 million, 45 million. That's why this red line is here. But now everything is changing. I'm not gonna move that red line. I'm gonna keep it there. But I mean, you damn near got to the purple right here. So if Clash wanted to play around, you got some time left in the 4-hour candles to play around down here in this zone. But we talked about it getting out of this zone for a while here, and eventually did. And now we got the same scenario going on over here. Yeah. Appreciate that, OZ. Kim said we wake them up and we get put in the doghouse. But if Clash pumps and we get pumps, Then they break out the Batman voice. Wake up. Oh, look, there you go. Touch that purple line. There you go. There you have it. Went across the blue, came back up. Now it's time to go, Clash. Unfortunately, we do not get another 4-hour candle until 4 a.m. Eastern. And it's 12:30 Eastern. No way. We hit that purple line. That's the 60 whatever moving average. So the purple line on here is similar to the purple line on here. But this one, it says 20. Once again, man, I'm not the greatest at this stuff, man. I just do little simple stuff, as I mentioned, and it works. It works, you know. It's not always gonna be perfect, you know, but it works. And I try to keep it simple for like my friends and family that do come watch my streams on the replay, so they can, you know, so a normie can understand what it is that I'm showing, and like simple little patterns without talking about Fibonacci's and golden pockets, and you know, which I'm a normie myself, man. When did I buy it? I bought it September 18th. So right here is when True Trailblazer got his first little bit of Clash. But I didn't put in as much as I wish I could go back and do today. I started off with like 0.15, so I was pretty much a chicken, man. I was very sketchy on Pump Fun. I didn't know really anything about it. So yeah, I hit my card on there, one of my burner cards. I was like, fuck it, I'll get some. It's George. Yeah, definitely OG, man. But I've been buying the whole way. Like, I took my initial investment out probably like right here. Seen this all go up, and I've been buying ever since. So he buying all over the place. Like how you see George buying all over the place. Alright, so since Clashy went down and touched that purple line for the first time, it's over here when we crossed it. October 22nd. It's time to go, man. Oh, time to go, man. You got today or tomorrow. Today or tomorrow. It's time to go, man. OC said, I think we may dip into the upper 40 million. Is hard to say of a raw. Totally see a bounce coming. Yeah, well. OZ, man. I mean, the 12-hour. See, this is different for me to have 4 lines. This one don't even have a purple on a 12-hour, which is weird. Or the day, but it has on the 4 hours and lower. But based on the 12-hour, and the day don't even have it. Like, it's just all weird to me if you look up here. Like, there's only a green and a gold on this one. Yeah, I don't understand it. Like, no matter what charter time frame I go on, because I've been charting on OKX since 2021, so this has been my go-to place for charting. So I'm still getting to the basis of using MEXC, and I'm only using MEXC because Clash is on here. If Clash was on this, I'll be charting on here, and it'll be a lot more intuitive for myself. But since I'm over here, now if I'm looking at this, like, I don't know what this line really is on the bigger time frames. Like, it's not there on a daily, but it's there on the 12. But I just been focused on the main 3. So the purple is important. You know, you below the purple, like the purple don't even whatever, but I'm pretty sure this, you can say this is all below the purple. You get above the purple, you're out of here. You know, whatever. You come below the gold, you start to get some retracements. It's just silly stuff, you know. But like, it's fun to look at, fun to predict it and whatnot. But yeah, I've been saying, even in Discord, not even just on the streams, if it's gonna dip, you know, you wanted to see it hold the 46 million market. That's why I have this red line here that's been here for a few days now. Put this red line here maybe Monday or Sunday night. So, but honestly, I don't know if it'll even go that low now. I mean, I won't be surprised of like a quick wick, you know, like how you see quick wick come down. We just seen a quick wick right here. It's not that huge, but wick came back up. So, I mean, if these 12 hours and whatever going on with this right here, if it wanted to boom and continuation, I just don't know. I mean, it's been, I try to make my own lines, like here, like, think about it like this. This is a great way for me to put it. I've been charting Clash from the beginning, all on pump fun, completely abnormal to me. There's no purple lines, there's no gold lines, no blue lines, no green lines, no nothing. I had to put all my own stuff here. And, you know, we talked about this. You know, I put it in Discord several times over the last several weeks. Once we got out of here, we could be golden. Get back into this range here. You want to close above that. We wicked all the way to the green line. Green line is going to send us to price discovery. We caught this wick live, man. That was wild. I think this was the night I woke up my wife. You know, you had a little bit over here on the goal line, but we're slightly below it. But we're in the range. There isn't another line here to show you the 2 blue lines like here, but we're in this range. So I think we hold this range. Like, yeah, you may see wicks below, like you see here. Touch slightly above it, wicked below. But I strongly believe we won't have any candles under here, and if we do, then, you know, you want to hold this red line, and if not, then yeah, you're looking at lower prices, brother. But that's just what I'm seeing, man. And damn, this is just not gonna be how I want it to be. So okay, so when I change time frames, it's touching the candle. I don't like when these lines I put in that touch the candles. It's weird to me. You in the red? No, definitely not. No, definitely not in the red. I mean, yeah, my portfolio show red because, you know, we went all the way to 80 million and I'm down from that point, you know, so. But definitely in the green on Clash, and I haven't sold any since my initial investment. Whether, you know, people will say that's dumb or not. You know, everybody do their own thing, but I don't want to lose out on the Clash I have, because I really wish I had millions. I should have took the opportunity to do that, but I'm grateful for what I have, man. So, man, if I would have gotten Clash the first time anywhere over here, I would have had to put in a couple thousand to get caught up, but I didn't have to do that. But I have put in a lot of money in Clash since I've been in Clash, that's for sure. Oh, you know what? I gotta get my juice over here. It's just sitting here, man. See, like, it's how, why do we need all these lines, man? You don't need all these lines, man. I would say, like, forget all those lines, guys. Just look at the ones I made, man. The two blue ones, the green, the red. They kind of slanted. They ain't perfect, man, but it works. You know, the range we in is the range over here. It was in here for a while, going down. Gonna be here in a while when this waves back up. We get a candle, like you got two here between the blue and the green. Man, that's key, man, to get up out of here. That's what I'm more for. Yeah, I look at these lines or whatnot, whatever, but I put these lines in here to try to see what I can see. Play some chess with the charts, man. That's all. So me on the chart, where you first bought in? Wait, yeah, I showed you, didn't I? Right here, I had to. And the way I found that out is because I went to go look at my first transaction on Pump Fund. And then Ozzy, if you actually go to here, I'll bring this up quick. Every time I do this, I seem to lose a couple viewers. So even though this is my first stream, this we're not gonna count these two, okay? We're not gonna count these two. That's in a whole different category of its own. But anyway, this was the first literal stream when I talked about Clash. Oh, it went right to it. Look at that. Look at that. So Clash was 001 when I first streamed it on YouTube. And this is probably my least performing video since I started. 2 likes, 25 views. Oh, that's me commenting from my main channel. So yeah, you know, you're looking at 001. This was September 24th when I first went live, and I didn't get a chance to really cover Clash until, like, you know, towards the 35 minutes, because potential altcoins. This is the video where I broke down and talked about all these different altcoins. And then when I got to Clash had its own little 5-minute mark, and then ever since then it's been Clash. It's been Clash. And of course I bring up the Bitcoin chart, Solana here and there, but they get little time. They get little time compared to Clash. So yeah, that's what. Oh no, this actually the least performing one. This must have been when it was like really red, huh? Oh, so yeah, see, here go this here on this stream, and talked about how that was gonna curl. It's either gonna blow out of here, but since we couldn't get this candle to just come back up, you know, you probably curl down and play around in here and then zoom out, and then boom, it did that. Which candle was that? Right here. But anyway, yeah, man, the channel's there. We here. That's crazy. Okay, so you can literally check wallets and see what people have in their wallet. See all buys, holds. Damn, really? I don't have an OK account. To be honest, I've never logged in or signed up or anything. I just like use their system. You know, it's like I don't know. I was trying to think of an example. I thought of one, but I thought it was gonna probably sound stupid. We are so ready to bounce. Yeah, man. I feel that too. I feel that too. That's wild. You can see more than just buy, sell behavior. Cam said, as far as profit taking strategy, what do you think is healthy exit when we reach the 500 million mark, 1 billion mark? I'm curious. Yeah, that's something we could talk about tonight for sure. Do the sound effect when you open it. Oh yes sir. I'm about to grab that right now too. I'm about to grab the juice, guys. Use your account as a treasury. Take what you need when you need it. No need to dump, sell it all, sell houses while low in DC, especially with Clash. Yep, exactly. Wait, I think I've seen you in here before. What's up, you, man? Welcome back to a late night stream. I'm about to grab the juice right now, guys, and we gonna talk about some profit taking, exit strategies, and DCAing, and we gonna get into that, man, because it's something that's definitely been on my mind. But yeah, let me grab this juice real quick, man, because I'm excited. Cheers. All right. So for me, man, when it comes to that, one thing I'll say off the back, man, is as long as George in this thing, man, I'm in this thing, man. You feel me? I ain't going nowhere, man. If George starts to dwindle down, I'm gonna start to dwindle down. So I'm gonna follow George on that, honest to God. Now at 1 billion market cap, I will be taking some profit, you know. So holding over 100K class, you know, at a 1 billion market cap, that's what, $1 per class. So you talk about 110, 120,000. So yeah, for example, maybe I sell 20K class, which people doing with ease these like now. So let's see some example. 1,200. Oh, that's all small numbers right now. Holy goodness. Look at that, 69K. I could imagine selling 69K class right now. Like, that is insane. Like, dude, you couldn't just wait. And even if class is 1 billion, how much is this? How much? You know what? Let's find that out exactly, man. I don't like guessing. We'll get $193. Oh. So he did 193 times 18. 3,000 for. You got to be kidding me. Really? Another one over here. This is basically 3,000 too, as well. 3,000 as well. So this is roughly 1,000, a little over 1,000. I guess they just need the money that bad. Here go another big one. This one, 4,000. Really, bro? I'm not in crypto to sell and for 4,000. I mean, but I guess, you know, everybody's situation is different. I've been stacking Crow for a long time. I haven't sold my Crow at all since I've been accumulating all the way over here. And I bought Crow in June 2021. Over here. A lot of it was locked up this whole way up, because I went and got the Crypto.com Rupee card. So all my Crow, not all of it, but most of my Crow was locked up. So I seen all this. I experienced all that. And I've been accumulating this whole damn time. So, but yeah, 1 billion, man. I wouldn't, you know, be surprised if I sell 10K, 20K class and I got like 10, 20,000. Wife would be happy, be like, hey, yeah, we'll pay that off, get that taken care of, do a nice little family vacation, you know. And of course, with that, you gotta put back some way somehow, you know, reinvest some of it. So if I'm able to snag a tier 2, tier 1 NFT from somebody that's like, hey man, I'm selling, I got 2 of them. Oh yeah, snag me one, cause I plan on getting a tier 3. So tier 3 better than nothing, but it would be nice to have tier 2, tier 1. But yeah, man, and then you know, just move it around, man. Reinvest. That's what I've been doing over the years with crypto anyway. Like, that's what I did with WIF. Everything that I had in WIF before that huge run up, I got in WIF at 12 cents. Rode that thing well past $2-3, and I sold all of that crap. What was the point for me holding that? See, something like Clash or even Crow, because I have, I do. Crow is tied in with this game here, so there's a reason why I keep my Crow as well, and there's a reason why I keep my Clash as well. Look at that. So I guess we got a little something good going on for Clashy right now. Cam said, I'm thinking sell 10% at each milestone. For me is 500 million MC and 1 billion. Then take the 20%, probably save back in on the dip, and the money minus my initial deposit. But that's 80% right, exactly. And that's what I did, man. I took my initial investment out, which was nothing, back all the way over here, like here. But I put that back in and so much more sense. So much more sense. And then my wife holds some Clash, and then 3 buddies of mine from the real world also hold Clash, and all you guys hold Clash. It's awesome. So this daily opened up at, it's going back and forth. Say if we play with these 2 lines, there's only 2 here. I would expect a bounce, but it's coming off my blue line as well. So that's another thing that be like, oh, I expect a bounce. So I'm expecting a bounce 2 different ways here. And I mean, since I put that little line here too, so there's 3 reasons why I expect this to bounce now. I don't like that. Well, yeah, Cam, I hear you on the DCA, man. That's kind of the same boat I'm in, man. I mean, it'll be nice, see Clashy boy do some type of wild run in November. For sure. Give me a good 5%, 5 to 10%. I'm taking off. I'm coming to Vegas, having a blast. That roulette table, better watch out, man. Better watch out. I don't know y'all favorite numbers on roulette. Hey, actually, throw it in the chat, man. I need to see so I can make sure I play it firsthand. I gotta play 23, man. 23 in the zeros. You gotta play the zeros, man. Gotta play the fucking zeros. I just know y'all in Vegas, man. Y'all better play y'all numbers, man. Cause I go to the casino here in Michigan, and you always got that person on the table. That number come. Oh, that's my number. That's my number. And he played everything but his number. It's like, nigga, why you? Oh, well. It's like, why you ain't play your number? Oh, man. I ask you, hey, what's your number, man? Because I'll play your number. I'll play it. There's a few numbers on the table I never play. That daily charts. That daily charts. Alright, we haven't touched the 1 minute since we've been here. Oof. Okay. Let me make some pumpage here, Clashy. Come on, Clashy. You know you want a pumpy. Don't you play with me, boy. Holy crow. We got 16 likes on the stream? Wow, thank you guys. That's crazy. 11 people in here? Wow. We got an audience tonight. Welcome to the stream, guys. Charts After Dark, we're here. Just pulling up the 1 minute for the first time tonight. And I'm about to me a sip of this juice, and we gonna talk to Clashy Boy here and get him up here to this blue line tonight. Y'all down with that? Y'all think we can do that? We can get back to 55 million pretty swiftly here. Oh yeah, I think we can do that. I think we can do that. I see none of y'all tell me what y'all numbers are on roulette, man. Somebody give me a number, man. It's 11. I see 11 people in here, man. I'm going to have to play 11. 1123. 000 1123. 100 on each one of them. Fuck it. I need one more number, though. I got to play at least 5. Oh, yeah, Clashy. Yeah, Clashy. Come on, Clash. Let's get a good pump going on Clash. Come on, Clash. Oh, we got the 1 hour. 1 hour closing in 5 minutes. As soon as I click over, I hope this go ahead and pump when I'm off the stream like it always does. Not looking at it. Yeah. It's gonna be interesting to see where the next 1 hour open at. Clash, you could have stayed green right there, buddy. You could have stayed green right there, buddy. And kept going. I just went to Discord to see what else he said. We gonna check that. Ooh. Can I just send you a message in there about OKX too? Now we get Clashy to like 20 billion, dude. Clashy go to 20 billion, or even Crow go to like $3. I'm going to get the car I want, man. And it's not even an expensive car. I just need like, how much I need? I forgot how much I need. The thing is, I don't know which year Chevelle I would get if I get a Chevelle. I got an SUV now, but what am I doing? So it looks like this, but this is not the color. Well, it's not showing me price. It's not showing me the price. I thought it was like maybe 35K, 26K or something like that. want to watch a video. Bro, just give me the damn price. Oh my goodness. Ay, okay. Okay, so see, it's not expensive, man. It's not 20 billion is stupid money. I'm honestly Gucci. Yeah, man. Hey, dream breaking dream, right? You never know though, man. Like, I mean, we talk about the next Pepe and shit, but all of that, man. Like, I don't know where it's gonna go, but I'm gonna stick by saying this. I think Clash is going to go somewhere none of us are expecting. Okay, like George been saying this time and time again, man. This whole project started in like bad market structure timing. Well, it can't. The timing is right that he came out with this. I like to see this. I think we're about to see some pump on the 1 hour for sure. Go back to the 1 minute here while we chat. It's kind of hard to wrap my mind around it, man. But I truly think Clash is going to go somewhere none of us expect. I don't think we stay under 1 billion. We're in the billions, but the thing is, 1 billion. Who says it has to stop there? You know, you only talk about 100% increase from 1 billion to 2 billion. 100%, which is nothing for Clash, as we seen that. And the holders, man, we've been under 10K holders this whole time. We're at 7K holders, guys. 7K holders at 50 million market cap, guys. That's why I refuse to sell any Clash, man. I'll sell. Well, I can't sit here and say I'll sell my Crow before Clash because I haven't even sold my Crow. But there's a lot of other coins that I'll sell before I'll sell Crow or Clash. Here comes some pumpage on the 1 minute. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready for the pumpage on Clash? Man, I'm happy with it. 100 million market cap. You? Clash hit 20 billion. I would freak out. I'll be a multi-millionaire and not put nothing on selling. That's enough for me. We'll be top 15 crypto in the market, and George will be billionaire at 5%. Supply holder will just be behind Ada. Yeah. I don't know where to go. But remember I broke up on one stream, man, like all the different scenarios. Maybe you don't go to 20 billion, but why stop at 1 billion? Why not 7 billion? 7 billion? I mean, Pepe shit with all these. I'm not even going to use Doge because, you know, Doge is different. Even though I still don't hold it, I don't care for it. You know, I have nothing against it. You know, at the Bitcoin machines at the damn gas station, they have Doge as one of them. So it's like Doge has reached a tier that no other meme coin has. But our coin is not. Clash is not a meme coin, it's a community coin. That's also the note, but to think that it can't get to 7-10 billion is wild to me. So that's why one of the streams, I think it was stream number 11 or some like 10, 11, maybe 8, where we had bear case, base case, bull case, ultra bull case, or whatever. But even just in like a base case, 5 to 10 billion. 5 to 10 billion, guys. That should be no problem. Yeah, Pepe hitting 40 billion is wild, man. I mean, not Pepe, shit. Shit hitting 40 billion is wild. I mean, even Doge hitting up that high is wild, man. George keep doing what he's doing. Huge partnerships continue to come in. We don't even have no wild exchanges yet, man. Like, it's not like we're on Cruiser.com or Binance or, you know, or any other exchange you want to throw out there. But I think they're coming. But hey, you bet your ass, 10 billion market cap, I'm going to get this. But I didn't plan on getting this on my Clash anyway, because I was already planning to get this on my Crow. So either way, I'm getting that either way. Maybe I even get it with my Lion token that I keep getting airdropped because of this damn game, which has been a blessing. I've never put a damn dollar into this game, but this game keeps paying me. It keeps paying me, so I'm gonna keep playing. Alright, so what is Clashy doing? What is Clashy doing? Yeah, for Pepe to hit 10 billion is crazy, man. I think FOMO really kicks in for Clash over 100 million. We push up to 250 between 500 million very quickly. We chill out there maybe a week or two, and then we start to make that push towards $1 billion. You know, like, I don't think it's gonna go from 100 to, well, it go from 100. This one, I'm just playing a scenario in my mind. But you go to 100, you got FOMO, like real FOMO kicking in to the point where you got 12K, 15K holders and climbing. And that's going to push up to the 250. But between that 250 and 500, I think it may be a little chill. You know what I'm saying? Like how you guys see the chill here. Oh, wait. Bigger time frame. Hold on. 4 hours better. Chill here. Chill here. Maybe we go up. Maybe this is like the 250K up to 500K back and forth. You know what I'm saying? Chill out, come back up, get back into that range, and we blast out and go to like 600, 700, 800, and we get closer to that 1 billion. Then we get to 1 billion. Then you're talking about like some massive euphoric situations. And then from the 1 billion to 10 billion, it's 1,000% move. So I don't think it's going to go for 1 billion, 10 billion like that, but 1 billion or 2 billion like that, why not? You know, maybe it go to 1 billion and they chill out, and then it gets up to like 2.3 billion, something weird like that, and it stays there. You know, and in the market, because you know, Clash is going to continue to move as the market move up. And if you look at the 3-month on Bitcoin, we're having one of these situations where you got this chill, this chill, this maybe a chill. So Bitcoin could really not want to be your, you know, your biggest mover until January, February, March candle, which is, these are the 3 months candles I'm looking at. I always use these bigger time frames. Like looking at Solana on a bigger time frame, and even ADA on the 3 month look nice. But Solana on a 3 month time frame, you got the white, the gold, and the purple, just like I like to see it. You got the V on the white. This is above, and it's like, I would never, ever trip on a token if it looks like this on a 3 month candle, no matter how bad it looks on these damn smaller time frames. So that's just me though, man. So I'm going to ADA on 3 months, because ADA is the only token that I have like 90% of my coins. I think more than 90%, like 95% of my coins staked. Charles Hockenson is doing some, you know, some shit that I don't agree with in the background, but I gotta take advantage of it and make money with it. So that's that. But yeah, man, Bitcoin on a 3 month and a monthly, Looks great to me. I can't complain. Like Clashy is doing a little something. Yep. Oh yes, y'all ready for this? Let's go. Come on, Clashy. We got. Let me see. Oh, even on a oh my boy. Okay, the 5 and the 1 looking good, and that 1 was already looking good with this. All right. Okay, let's get some publish going. Let's see. Facts I invested in community action. It's a dope ass trifecta. George's reputation, ethics, yes sir. Clash's mobile game adoption, yes sir. And market conditions, yes sir. I think 3 billion is super realistic. Oh hell yeah, Cam, I agree with you. Hell yeah. Why not? Why not? Like I think 1 billion is just like that mental thought. That the mental thought of it. You know what I'm saying? But I don't think that's the stop. Get ready for that blast off you said with it still sticking around for cycles to come. Our supplies only 1 billion, so shit can go parabolic. Yeah, that's guys. Like I said, I'm gonna, as long as you see George in Clash, I'm in Clash. No matter what the damn price is. That's facts. So holding 130 something K Clash. So basically, in my mind, holding 130 something K Clash, I got 30 something K Clash to play with. 100K, I gotta hold on to, because every 1 billion market cap is $100,000, and I'm gonna try to hold on to that. I'm trying to continue to accumulate my Clash, when I can. The last time I bought Clash when Alliance won, so it's been about a week since I bought Clash. So, let's see what else going on here. Their supply is 1,000 XRs. That's what I'm saying. We're fully diluted. Yes, sir. 1 billion. I'm a multi-millionaire. I'm getting rid of my phone. Fucking picture you, man. What the fuck you think this is, Harry Potter, man? Oh my goodness, that shit is goofy, man. Cam said ship Pepe have half a trillion supply alone, or 500x model. Exactly, man. So, dude, look, I know my prediction probably wild to you guys, but my prediction still stands: 21 to 23 billion. So I'm just gonna say that and stick by it, whether it happens or not. I'm not gonna change it. I said it in September. I said it in October. I'll tell you guys in November. I'm not going to change it. It may not happen, this year or this cycle or whatever, but I'm still sticking to 21 to 23 billion. So I'll always have at least 100K Clash because, like, at the end of the day, as long as George is holding on, I'm holding on. I start to see this go below 5%. I'm like, hold on, Georgia boy. I'm gonna take me some profit too. You take you some profit, boy. But he don't, like, you think about it. He created this. The man already has wealth. Okay, like most of us mostly already have wealth because of other projects. Okay, I can speak for myself when it comes to Crow and other things. Like, okay, my wealth really hasn't kicked in yet. Okay, I just been accumulating. So everything that's sitting in my Crow is just me putting shit in over the last few years. Like, fudge. But I do get a chance to make stuff, when it comes to things like with me doing what I did with Whiff, for example. But oh, Clashy, what are you doing? You love playing with me, Clash. I tell you. Oh, see, you knew I was about to click off the 1 minute. I'm gonna zoom in on you right here. How you like that, Clashy? How you like that, Clashy? Shouldn't Pepe have half? Oh, I read that. Sorry. You said facts, full delusion tokenomics. Yes, sir. Cam said, well, suck money in from other meme coins fast. Yeah, man. Yeah. Another factor. There's so many factors around this. Like, you guys are throwing them out there. I threw some stuff out there. George throwing the stuff out there. But there's other things that, they can come into play too. Like, there's so much that can come into play. Being at the right time, The right place at the right time. It's still crazy to me, guys. The Clash is 50 million market cap, and I'm holding on to tokens that's still under 10 million market cap that I've been DCAing into on a monthly basis. Like Crow ID, for an example. Since I bring that goofy going up, I'm not gonna sell it though, because it's not gonna bounce till Crow. I mean, it's not gonna do its thing till Crow do. $2 million. I'm not showing you guys this so you guys get into this. I'm in this because I'm in Chronos projects or whatever. Karate Master Dump by Crypto.com coming fall. That this thing is going to 0. I highly doubt that, brother. But look, less holder than us. Okay, so you basically say I can make fun of something I'm holding. You know, you guys know I'm hardcore Clash. Anyway, this thing has 2 million market cap. Okay, 5K holders, same supply as us. Less circulating supply. And I've been DCAing into this for God knows how long. And to be fair, the only way to get this is either on crypto.com or on the crypto.com on-chain wallet, because it's a VVS, finance, DEX, whatever thing. Maybe you can get Chronos ID if like Crow is like, if there's like a Crow, I don't know. So, but then Clash has outpaced this tremendously. You guys didn't want to keep my Clash search up? Really? More holders, more market cap, all circulating supply. Look at this guy. See, it wasn't just Chronos ID people talking shit on. It's Clash too. I'm bearish on Clash. Don't believe those guys who are posting good stuff. I will tell you some real stuff. It's a big manipulation. Just check out the order book on DEX and you will notice there are a group who are creating FOMO and who are dumping on buyers. It's all the same wallets who are buying and selling to create fake liquidity. So watch out. Oh man. What are you talking about? Yeah, you gotta have it, boy. You gotta have it. It's crazy. It's really crazy to me to look back on this. I really gotta stop this shit. Alright, let me get off this. Alright, Clashy. See what you did in the last 15. Well, let's see what we can really get to tonight. Let's play around and see. Oh shit, bro, we're at 45. Well, we're 666 a few days ago. Damn, that's a weird number to be at too. But yeah, we're climbing up, aren't we? We're creeping hard to the top. You know what? What's number 100, man? Because Clashy Boy on his way to top 100. You know, people love talking about the top 100 on their channel. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, we're gonna be top 100 in November, right? Just think, I'm telling you, man, when this thing breaks out, guys, I know you guys are ready, man. When this thing breaks out, I've been talking about it. When we break out, we're gonna get up this, whoa, boy. You know what I'm saying, man? When we break out this thing, well, you better get ready, cause 10 Cent coming, man. It's coming. When we break out of here, man. One of these candles over here is gonna be bigger than these green candles you see right here. This is probably the biggest one. If I was just able to take it, put it next to each other. These almost look like the same though. But I think one of these candles is gonna be bigger for a daily candle than what you see here. Cause you had the retest, chill, retest, chill. And we're about to go. And when it comes to the weekly, retest, I still gonna stand by this. We still have, well, it's Thursday, my time zone now, but you still have 3 to 4 days left for this candle to close. I still think, surprisingly, this candle closes green. I said it all last week. And if you guys been on my stream, I've been saying it all last week for Bitcoin's last week candle. I believe this is going to close green. It closed green. This one makes it look like it's gonna be like a rollover, but I think it's just a fake out. I think this still closed green. There's no way. This closed green and push all the way up here. This closed green and push here at minimum. I know you guys are like, hold on, Trailblazer. You saying we're only gonna push up to 65 million this week, man? Minimum, yeah. Minimum, not max. That's what I think. In 3 to 4 days. Now, when I say that, and I go back to the daily, we're about to get out of this damn little thing anyway. So why are we not about to push up to 65 million? Boom. Wait, a little higher than this. Boom. Basically the blue line. Okay? It's pretty. You guys seeing what I mean when I say that? Okay, this was boom. This is boom. Okay, this finishes green right here, I think. And then for our first November green candle, I don't know where, but higher than this freaking blue box. All right. So we talked about a lot here. In September, in October, in the last 30 streams. Now we're here today. Oh, let me go here. We're here today with this weekly candle. This finishes green right here. That plays out. Get ready for the following week to push up. And this will be the biggest weekly body candle since Clash has been Clash. Yeah, so I'll say my piece on that. On the 1 minute, it's moving choppy. Ooh, look like we got some wick off on the lines. Come on, Clash. Let me get a pump, please. It's still early. Let's get some pumpish going. You said never mind, that's CoinGecko. Man, you guys are showing love to the stream tonight. I appreciate that, man. 17 likes? That is wild, man. I'm sitting here waiting for this pump to happen, man. I can feel it on my skin. I feel it on my damn skin. Bitcoin is exactly, it was exactly 109,000 even. I haven't looked much at Bitcoin since the FOMC meeting. This thing went boom, boom, making like a W formation maybe. You need Bitcoin. I don't know, man. It's one of them. These sort of time frames just not giving it to me. So when I'm in doubt, I just gotta zoom out. And I look at the 3 months. Oh, we're good. Hugh said, hindsight is 2020, but I wish I dunked my soul back in class when I first bought in. You. As much crow as I hold, man, if I was to put all my crow in class when I got in September 18th, I most likely probably would have been top 10 holder. Top 5 holder. It's fucking wild. And I was top 500 holder for a while, man, to everybody, you know. And I'm happy everybody buying up class, man. You guys pushed me out. I'm like top 700. I was like 690 or something when I checked. It's crazy. I got pushed out to 500. But it doesn't help that I got class in 3 different wallets. So I'm probably like, even if I had all class together, I don't even think it's still top 500. I don't know, man. It's just when I got my Clash and Pump Fund, I left some there, moved in the Phantom. Then I moved a lot of it over to my Crypto.com on-chain wallet because I was able to get Clash on the Solana on my on-chain wallet. But hey, I got 3 wallets in the damn giveaway thing. I haven't won the giveaway just yet, but I got 3 wallets in there. You would think the more wallets you have, the better the chances, but I doubt that, man. I've been to raffles before where they be like, hey, you can buy tickets and you put them in any basket you want. We're going to draw tickets. Dude, I can buy 50 tickets and put 50 tickets in a damn bucket and still don't win. I don't think I've ever been called for a drawing in my life, but that's fine. That's fine. Sometimes you just gotta go out there and get it made ourselves. That's why I bought Clash, man. It's not like somebody, forced me to buy Clash. I went and bought it. And I seen the video. I think I was a day late on the video, and I seen it. I looked into it, and then I bought some right on Pump Fund. I was, like I said, I was iffy on the whole Pump Fund situation, man. You said 5 soul was your initial. That got me 730k class at the time. Like, I feel your pain, bro. Damn, 5 soul. Yeah, I put in like 0.15 soul, man. Imagine, imagine. Okay, maybe it was like, I don't know, like it was under one soul that I put in, man. I didn't even put in. If I hate to sit here and reminisce, man, but I've been happy just putting in $200 off the back. Just $200, man. What's $200? Oh yeah. But hey, man. We're all sitting here, deep down, believing billions of market cap is coming. So at this price, why the heck will we not want to scoop this up? Because I don't know about you guys. As much as I'm buying Clash, it's going to suck to buy it at 1 billion market cap. You're only going to get one Clash for every dollar. One Clash. So look at it like that. Do you want to spend $10, $100? $10 get 10 Clash, $100 get 100 Clash? Or do you want to spend $100 right now and get, 1,000 Clash? I think that's the right math, I think. Maybe a 1,500 Clash for $100. Because it's 50 million market cap. Oh man, let me see where the 15-minute went. Look at this, man. We like this blue line I put here 4 or 5 days ago. Clash like touching the stuff I put out there. Okay, it really does. It loves touching the shit I put out there. Yeah, this was a week below it too. I'll probably put this here. I could go find a video, but Sunday night. The 26th. So after this. So we're over here somewhere when I put that blue line up down there, which means I put that blue line here too. I did all these 1, 2, 3 on Sunday night. This one I think Monday morning for that stream, Monday afternoon stream. But yeah, since I put that thing there, didn't touch it here. But as of right now, we're touching it a lot. See, on a 30-minute, man, looking at this, if I was 11 straight, I'd be like, oh, we're gonna pump. That 30-minute is looking good now, which means this should be looking good, sorta. Man, this whole scenario right here. Yeah, man, as much as I wanted to go crazy tonight. I don't think it's gonna happen in this hour. You're looking at the next 4-hour candle to have some life. And that's at 4 a.m., bro. Ah, shit. And a 5-minute even look like workshop. See, we're like in this phase. Boom. They came back down. Boom. I don't know, man. I don't know. But for some short-term speculation, the 4-hour while we were here live has hit that purple line. It went below, came back up. That screams to me the next 4 hours green. We retrace up here. Maybe wick up there and then want to close up here somewhere. But this is getting tight. Look at the 12-hour and the daily. It's getting tight. And since it's uptrend, you got, come on now, four rid in a row. Stop it. This gonna flip green, man. Hold the blue line and the green line. Flip green. I really hope it goes higher than 58 million on the close. But Clash, you could be like, you know what? I'm just gonna go 58 million a day. And I'll give you guys 61 million tomorrow. And then I'll give you guys 68 million the following day. So you can have 3 days of just store stepping. I mean, what the fuck did I just say? Just stepping up. 3 down, 3 up. I would love to see. So that's gonna be. So if I green. So you talking about Halloween candle being back at the blue line? Does November candle be the first candle in the, that would be a very, very, what's the word? Interesting setup. If that actually plays out, guys, that'll be very interesting. To see this run up, to see this whole candle get, taken out. Then you had the fake, whatever you want to call this, and then you get this candle to close up here somewhere. All right, maybe even do stupid and be green like right here. However, with no matter way, here, wherever, I think it holds green, like closes green, and then you push up, and then you push up, or push up. But wouldn't that be very, very interesting to see the November 1st candle be the first candle to be in this range since back here? Like I'm saying, not a wick like we got here. I'm saying an actual candle in between this range. When I see that, OZ was talking about having a title called Clash on Fire. Man, what? Dude, you know how people go knock on doors and stuff, and dude, I'm gonna be knocking on everybody's door in my subdivision saying, buy Clash before it's too late. No, this is the time to accumulate a cheaper price before it gets in this box, man. Because there's gonna be buyers in every zone, every area we're in. So, look, there we go, turning green. Clashy, you doing it right now? While we're live? Please, give me a few in a row. Give me a few. See, let me leave off. It'll come back. It'll come back. Instead of a Jehovah Witness, you said become a George. Not gonna do it. Spreading the good news. Yeah. Oh my goodness. See, Cam was the reason why I woke up my wife last night. It's gonna be you this time, man. It's gonna be you this time. And that's a tongue twister right there. Hey, it's gonna be you this time. Hey, look, guys. Okay, this the play. Okay, we're not even gonna count these because this is in the zone. So you got 1, 2, 3, chill. And then what I said the other day, so even though these not in the range, hold on, let me play chess real quick. Let me play chess. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Wow, okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. Alright. You know what that means. This is on a daily. Let's do this. Alright guys, there you have it. My prediction for the next daily candle. I don't know where this one is going to close. I think it's going to close green. I was saying that to you guys when it was still red 5 minutes ago. And then I think the next one is going to push us up. We're going to get out this box, dude. Okay. I even have more here, but I deleted some stuff because it was just getting too clustered. But I try to keep the important stuff. Bitcoin went up $800 since we've been streaming. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Get up there then, boy. ETH even in the green. Solana in the green with you. Okay, then, so. Okay, then, so. Get up there. Yeah. Okay, then. Come on. Oh, Classy didn't come back down like it didn't make no. Okay, hold on now. Don't. Come on, Classy. Don't shoot. Is there a CX where folks are leverage playing class? That I have no idea. The only place I do leverage trading is on crypto.com exchange. And I usually only do Bitcoin itself. But anybody in the chat can answer use question right there for them. Actually, why stop here? Ooh, teasing, man. Just teasing, Clash. No, don't. Come back right here. Don't. I'm gonna stay on this 5 minute because I want to reject it coming back down to this area, but I guess we'll see. We're gonna see it together. See, when you speak of leverage trading, so see, this is where I put my longs in. When I see the top line, which is gold on here, there's gold on here too. No, it's white on here. I'm sorry, it's white on here. So the white line on here is actually gold. And here it's about to come back and touch that gold line. Anyway, I would have seen this and be like, oh, time to put it along, and then boom. Doesn't mean it's always gonna play out, but that's when I usually put my long into things. Well, Bitcoin. So I usually only leverage traded Crow twice, ETH once, and then Bitcoin ever since. But I think I've only did like 18 leverage tradings in my life, so not many. I'd rather just buy spot because I lost most of them. Only one, maybe 7 out of 18 if I had to guess. So that's less than 50%. Maybe 8. 7 or 8. I'm not the greatest with these short-term shit, man. Now, if I leverage traded live with Lifer and join all his stuff, maybe I'll win more, but I don't got time for all that, man. Doing just fine buying and holding spot. people been saying over here? Yeah, man. I think you got less than 10 days for this. Less than 10 days. Ooh. I think that's happening too, guys. Chris do follow George, the CEO of Crypto.com. And Crypto.com always listing those coins, man. Like, they get, like, traction. But it seems like he always lists them, like, when they almost at the end of, like, major run-ups. I've seen them list a lot of stuff. Don't mean it still don't have upside, but it'll have another leg up, but after that, then it like cools off for a while. I've seen that a lot. Where like projects coming to crypto.com, because it's like it doesn't get listed too early. Besides the Chronos coins that's been there, that's not listed on other things. But like when I seen Pepe get listed or Turbo and so many other things. You know, maybe there's another 40 to 100% move on it, but after that, then it just cools off for a while. So they can say this one for last. Yeah, that's it for that. I'm about to see a red one. I just noticed something. Y'all must be asleep, man. I went through the chat to see if any of y'all gave me y'all favorite number to play in roulette. Maybe y'all don't play numbers. Maybe y'all just do red and black, huh? You just play the outside. Less risk. Shit, man, I'll take the risk, man. But to be honest, man, I haven't been to the casino as much in the last 4 years, man. When I got into crypto, it's like the money I'll take to go to the casino and so many other things in my life. I was just like, you know, I'm just going to invest it. I mean, I'm not going against going to casinos. I still love me playing some baccarat and some roulette. I mean, to be fair, I played on my phone now too. Which it's not the same, you know, being there in person or whatnot, but you can still make money and lose money. So that's the same. That's the same for sure. Man, I was trying to get a little more excitement tonight, man. I was going to give me just a little more juice, and I was going to call it a night. But Clashy is not, oh, wait, let me see if I see something on a 5-minute here. This could look like a bounce from here on the next 5 minutes. So you got 2 minutes to see that. Can't say I don't gamble, to be honest. Lived in Vegas for 4 years and never did. Wow. No sports gambling, nothing. Woo. Yeah, I'm not ready to sports gambling, man, until the Lions started to pick it up in gear the last couple years, man. I started betting on the Lions games for sure. Like on Crypto.com, I only had to put in like $7 to predict them being the Super Bowl winner this year, and that $7 had turned into like $100. So that was some good odds. I'm like, okay, $7, and if they win the Super Bowl, I get $100. Yeah, sign me up. I guess we'll see what happens though. I think they got these next 2 games in the bag. I'm gonna watch them. I don't want to sit here and assume they'll win, but I think they'll win. Now, the Detroit Lions are going against one of my favorite quarterbacks from college, J.J. McCarthy. I know he hasn't had a chance to make much noise in the NFL, and I don't think he's ready for a team like the Lions either. So, I've never had a chance to watch J.J. play in the NFL yet, but I watched him a lot when he was playing for Michigan. if you guys seen him play, man, but that kid is a beast. He's a beast. I've never bet on a basketball game though. Besides like on March Madness, or like betting squares and stuff at like a job that you guys will work at, and they be like, hey, yeah, buy squares. But I love making brackets every year. And since I know you like, oh, you know what, man? I can't wait till March Madness come around, man. I'm gonna throw the invite thing in the server, man. We gonna try to get like 100 of us in the March Madness bracket group on Tournament Challenge ESPN. Everybody put in a bracket and see what happens, man. We ain't even gotta do it for no money. We just do it for fun. You know, it'll be fun, man. You know, just making your picks and see who bracket turns out to be on top. That should be sweet. March Madness, picking those brackets is extremely addicting. So Cam, man, when we go to Vegas, man, you say you're not gonna play, huh? You've been out there 4 years. What else is there to do out there besides gamble, man? Cause it's like I said, I've never been out there, man. But everybody and their grandma, like yes, and their grandma, yes. It's always about gambling, you know, or the movies, like partying as well. So it's gamble, party, gamble, party, gamble, party. I mean, what we're coming to Vegas for, the party, right? So, what else is there? What else is there? I don't know, man. I do know the saying everybody always says, like, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. 5 minute. It's so weird they have a 10-minute on here. That is so weird. Okay, that 1 hour, we're probably gonna do 1 hour candle here. It's 1 hour. This 1 hour got life. This next 1 hour opens up here. We're gonna push up. To at least, it's not that big of a pump, but see you pumping up here. Two minutes. get a body below here. This thing, you got a whole 60 minutes, so this thing could close here if it wanted to, or bypass both of these and close up here if it wants to. And to get more insight on that, I'm gonna look at the 4-hour real quick here, because this candle and this candle is gonna play in to this current candle here. Alright, so we talk about 53.76 or 55. So 53 to 55. Alright, and that's just that makes sense because the high of this candle, if you look up here, it's 55. Opened at 54. So that's just the range of this candle. So it means this candle can still close red. This candle can still close red, but these can play out. See, this one already started off pretty good. So this, like I said, this 1 hour candle can be here or potentially here. Get back above this blue line. You know, maybe this one does this and the next one does this. And even though this is a nice green turnaround, this candle here will still stay red, but set us up for that green candle that I'm looking for the next 4 hour. I don't think there's much lower coming, guys. We hit that purple line. We've been playing with the blue line. The blue line is what I created. The purple line is MXC's thing, not mine. And that's what I'm seeing. So, of course, when I wake up, I'm gonna look at this and see what happened. This is on a 1 hour and a 4 hour. See, this phone just looks funny to me now after using MXC so much. I'm not even gonna do what I was gonna do. It just looks funny. But yeah, for you guys that's still here, you heard it. I think the next 2 hours are green. 1 hour candles. Okay, like example here. It's on a smaller time frame, so I guess I do need to bring it up. It's on a 4 hour. Crazy how I be remembering this. So I mean, you can use this one as an example too, but this is the one I was talking about. So you got boom, something like that. And the only way for this candle to turn 505323 current price. That's my wife's birthday. That's pretty strange. But anyway, I don't see this closing green. Of course, I wanted to close green, but I don't. See that closing green. Oh no, man. I don't see it closing green. That's what I'm saying. I think this is gonna be green here. That's why you can still have, you can have this candle green and this candle green, but this one's still close red. So, guys, I mean, it's fun. Charts After Dark, man. This is a chance we get to look at these, you know, these smaller time frames, play around with them, have some fun, talk some shit, have some juice. Oh, look, class on the move now. Hey, the night's still young, man. I'll stay here for another hour. We get some movement, man. But class, you gotta get up here to this. Wait, okay, you gotta get up here, man. I'm gonna zoom in so we can see it up close. Let's baby steps. Get above that first. Get up. Actually, just get above this. Just get above that. Jeez, baby steps. Oh, we got some people chatting again. You know what I'm saying? When's that tantrum arriving? Man, I gotta go look at my email, man. I should have it tomorrow, Saturday. Oh, okay, but close. You have to make a close. No, Clashy Boy, please be nice. Oh, a new name in the chat I never seen before. Bad Financial. Welcome to the Charts After Dark stream, my friend. And look, it's about to come below my dotted line. He said, hello, chat. How are we all making out today? Man, I can't complain. What about the rest of the chat? See, I wanted to close up. You guys seen this, right? You guys seen my white dot line I had, right? I said close above this. It literally wicks above and close right freaking at it. You damn booger. I'm trying to get it to close above this right here. Actually, it did kind of close above that. And they're like, we're going to get the continuation. So if that's the case, now you want to go above this. Jeez. Oh, Cam says, I don't know if you heard me, bro, but what else is out there to do in Vegas besides casinos? Is it really just casinos and party? Is that the dynamic duo out there, man? We back to 8 watchers, man. That's dope. I didn't even add the tags. I keep forgetting to do that. All right, can we get that candle to flip back green for us? All right, we can get a candle to close above the dotted line right there. I'll grab the juice. Grab the juice again. Alright, Clashy, boy, I tell you, boy. Every time I leave off and come back, I should have just stayed away. Okay. interesting setup right here. Interesting setup right here. See that? You get that close. That purple, I'm trying to get that right here. So let's pass this damn range. Man, at the end of the day, man, we hoping this damn range like a beast. For you guys just joining us, if you are a true clasher and you just curious of what we're looking at, or we can see price just in the next day or two or whatever. These next few days, man, getting back to the top of this range here, and to get some candles in this area here. But I've said before, there's a reason why this box was bigger and this one is smaller. We're gonna be in this range a little longer. I've been saying it. This chart right here, man, I feel like a robot as much as I talked about this one. You know, it's out of the gold pocket line, whatever. I kept saying the whole time, and once we get out of here, man, we're gonna ride up out of here. You know, we got past the line that I had right here. That's gone now. I kept this one here for a reason. And then this is the Valhalla line, the price discovery line, which we wicked well above on stream. That one day we was live and we caught that, and I woke up my wife that night, and I thought I was gonna get kicked, but I didn't. So that's pretty good. You just gotta keep it low. But yeah, man, I would say I wouldn't be surprised we stay around in this range like we was over here on the way down, sideways, down to 3. Those 3 little curve you down, you know what I'm saying? And then up. Like you got the, you know, you see I got the 3 curve you down. You got the same thing right here, but opposite. Flip this upside down. You got the 3 curve you down, like whatever you want to call it. It's weird the way that I'm looking at it, but just playing chess with these charts. I think we have green in front of us, and even though we had these few red right here, that's just okay, because I still strongly believe this candle flips green and finishes at least right here. So take a picture, take a screenshot. Like true Trailblazer believes we'll be at 65 million by Sunday 8 p.m. Eastern. I think the minimum price of Clash by Sunday night is 65 million. Don't worry about the 36, it's 65 million. Yes, man. Oh man, the yawn's coming in. Let's see. It's open at 65.50. The high was 88. The close at 61. Oh, so this one could even close at 62. Okay, so it could be 62 to 65 on Sunday. As y'all know, we already been playing around with that range a lot. We've been playing around with that range a lot. This 3-day candle gonna send it. Why don't you just keep pumping at 54? Now this 5-minute candle to me look like it's gonna blast. To at least. Okay, maybe because 53 to 54. What the fuck? Wait. Dude, I need that spider. The one that's in Discord. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, my wife would probably shit herself. Bro, that first girl, why she fall like that though? The second, okay, she was a little extra, but. And grandma, the last one, she was scared, but she ain't fall. That first girl, man, she was just like paralyzed. Oh my goodness, bro. That is crazy. I need that shit ASAP. Okay, man. Let me just get one more sip of the juice. I see Classy not gonna probably do it, but get one more little sip for the night. Come on, y'all. Get y'all bottles, pull it up, shares it up. Cam said, damn, Cam, you would have a heart attack with that? You don't like spiders, bro? You ain't good with bugs, bro? That's cool. You ain't That's cool, though, man. Ah, shit. Damn. That's my only real fear next to heights. Damn, bro. I would say my fear will be, and the thing is, I've never called it a fear. I always just say I'm like nervous because I haven't done it. Is get on an airplane. But this Vegas trip is gonna force me to get on one unless I was to drive 30 hours, which I wouldn't mind. But if Nels was to come out there with me, this is a childhood friend of mine. Been knowing him since 2010. If he come out there with me, then I know he'll get on a plane with me and all that. That nigga been on a, oh my goodness, my language. He been on a plane for all his life, so. I know I gotta have some type of fear out there, man. Sheesh. I guess the only see, if I say this, I don't want to get too emotional with you guys. What the fuck? You would drive 30 hours before an airplane? See, and he says the same thing, bro. He says the same damn thing. He said, finally sleep. Oh man. Oh yeah, I be trying to keep my professionalism, you know. But he says the same thing, man. Like, we supposed to go to Texas last summer in 2024. We didn't get a chance to make it, but I was like, yeah, bro, I'm gonna drive down there because my little brother stayed down there. He was like, yeah, bro, we gonna go to Texas. I'm gonna drive down there. He was like, no, I'll meet you down there. He said, just pick me up from the airport. I'm like, damn, straight. He was like, yeah, bro, I'm not doing that. He's like, I'll drive with you to Tennessee, but I ain't driving to Texas. I was like, bro, what's wrong with a road trip, man? Jeez, man. Yeah, I looked at the time this morning. My wife was helping me. Like, she worked at the airport for 5 years, and she was looking at all this stuff. She was like, oh yeah, if you're gonna do this, do it like this in this little vacation package and yada yada whatever. Yeah, that's 60 hours on the road. Yeah, which I used to drive for a living for work. So, and it wasn't my car. It was just a company truck. 12-hour days, 15-hour days, easy. I love driving, man. I can literally put on podcasts, sermons, music, you know what I'm saying, and just cruise, man. Just cruise. I got a buddy that lives in Wisconsin. He literally drives all over the damn country in his truck. Like, all over the damn country. I couldn't be one of them, though, because I just feel like it gets to the point where it gets a little too lazy. But, hey, I don't have no shame on his work, though. The flight's literally relaxing. Driving is crazy, bro. That's 60 hours on the road. I draw a lot of 8-hour road trips. 30 hours. It's nuts in the car, bro. For real, for real. I'm 30, Marv. And welcome to the stream. How old did you think I were? I should have asked that first. 30. Wife, 4 kids. 30. That's true. I definitely love driving too. Music and podcasts. Yes, man. You throw on a good Joe Rogan podcast. You crew. Yeah, 30 is crazy. I haven't done it. I haven't done that, bro. I haven't done more than for work, 12 to 15. But that's there's a lot of stops in between. But just driving straight with no stops. 7.5, 8 hours. So that's a trip for me. That's like from Michigan to Tennessee. I can go from Michigan to Tennessee straight. Maybe stop for food, bathroom break, but that's it. That energy is good for 30. Oh, I appreciate that, Mara. I appreciate that. It slips around 33. Oh, shit. Hey, man. Hey, don't, 31 no kids yet. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that, man. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It slips around 33, Mara said. Oh, man. Yeah. 60 Joe Rogan podcast is crazy. Oh wait, no, those podcasts are like 3 hours long, man. So you gotta find the good ones. Like maybe you gotta find something that's not like gonna put you to sleep. Like it's something that you haven't already watched. Like if you haven't watched, like Elon Musk went on his show like 3 times. But I try to find more recent ones. So I'll look through. Like if I was going on a drive right now, I'll look through like his last month or two to see who was on there and be like, oh, Aaron Rodgers. Okay, I'll listen to this one. Oh, I can't even think of a name right now. He's supposed to be having one coming up with Michael Saylor, man. I'm waiting for that. You know what? I gotta go see if that's out. Because I haven't been on this channel in about a week. Michael Saylor is about to be on Joe Rogan, guys. Avi Lube? I don't know who the fuck that is. I gotta hurry up and take this sip of juice before it get too late. Wait, it's not live. Okay, so Michael Saylor wasn't there yet. He's probably gonna have him on at like the time is gonna be impeccable. I seen the one with Charlie Sheen. I was interested in that one. So this was the last one I watched. Be interesting, man. It'll be sweet, George on Joe Rogan, man. George on Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan has to bring people out like George on here, man. Like, what who's doing what George is doing? Like, he brings people in that's just like out the norm. Beth Shapiro, is she related to the other Shapiro? And this, so that's a huge stretch, bro. I seen this one, and then the one with Charlie Sheen. So that's a huge stretch. I haven't seen one. During the summer, man, that'd be crazy. Oh, I forgot. I didn't see this one. This is with Hawkeye, bro. This is with Hawkeye. And Jordan Peterson been on there a lot. I seen one, maybe two with Jordan Peterson, but that dude's so damn intelligent, man. You'll fall asleep. It's like watching Charles Hockenson when he go live on YouTube. They just too smart for me, man. Like, they just people too smart. You go to sleep. Antonio Brown was on. Elon Musk. I seen every Elon Musk one. So yeah. GG's, man. Keep an eye out for Bitcoin move. Trump moving the markets tomorrow. Oh yeah, let's do it. Going to bed. Mara, I really appreciate you coming in, man. I think this is the first time I've ever seen you in here. I greatly appreciate you stopping in, man. I heard that Sailor. Yeah, man. I'm hoping he if all those doing, he ends up getting. Oh, he at the hospital? Wait. Michael shot me. I just thought about that. Oh, George would be crazy. Yeah, that would be. Jordan Peterson is sick right now. Oh, Jordan Peterson is sick right now. What? I'm not seeing anything on that, man. That's what they doing, keeping it on the wraps. Thanks for sharing that, Marvin. Good night to you, man. What else did I miss in here? Man, we was talking about the driving stuff. So my thing with the driving, like 30 hours, yeah, I agree. That's a little too wild. That's why I just gotta stick it through and just get on this damn plane. His daughter came out last month. His daughter came out what? Like was I'm sorry, Mom. I'm confused on what you mean. That road trip stuff, while I wait for him to respond, is like if you go on a good 8, 10, maybe 12 hours, okay, maybe just 10, 10 or less. Like when you in the car, Cam, like you able to stop wherever. Like you might drive through, a little town. Like, oh shit, I want to stop there. Oh shit, stop here. Do this, do that. You can't do that on a plane. I mean, I haven't been on a plane, but you can't do that on a plane. You get on that plane, they gonna take you to where they supposed to go. Or like 2 weeks ago, she came out on YouTube, but yeah, I think they keep it under wraps. All right, going to be big for real now. Although she put on a YouTube video. Thanks for that, man. I'm gonna be looking into that. Jordan Peterson is really, really intelligent man. Seems like you know who he is, so that's pretty cool. Been following his theology for a few years now. His, things he speak of. Watching him on Joe Rogan, man, you start to fall asleep. I don't think he had any big crypto people yet. Like Michael Saylor, Michael Saylor's a hardcore Bitcoin maxi. He might be the first one. He hasn't had Charles Hockenson. He hasn't had George. He hasn't had Michael Saylor yet. He hasn't had Chris yet from Crypto.com. He hasn't had CZ from Binance. This guy had Donald Trump on, for crying out loud, and JD Vance, man. He had JD Vance on, and the thing is, he invited Biden and Kamala, but they didn't come. You can't have Biden in a setting like that, man. He'll embarrass himself, man. You cannot have him on a podcast like that. They have to keep it to where they can somehow edit it, or you dope him up with some type of medicine so he can talk for 5 minutes without any issues. Well, there's no way he was going to be able to sit through an hour, let alone 2 to 3 hour podcast with Joe Rogan. It's not happening. I said it the whole time he was in office. Okay, the last 2 years, not the whole time. The last 2 years. He's not going on there. And then when Donald Trump went on there as a running, official, I'm like, come on, Alice not going to go on there. She's not going to do it. Hell no. And she didn't. She'll go on 60 Minutes and all the TV shit. It would have been nice to see her go on there, though. She would be like, oh, okay, Trump, you want to go on there? Okay, JD, you want to go on there? I'm going to go on there, too. You thought she would want to get the exposure. Shit, my auntie would have loved for Kamala to go on there. Definitely like we doing some type of push-up for sure on Bitcoin. Look at these higher time frames for a minute. This 15-minute needs to, oh my goodness, that's a huge gap between those. That push-up, oh yeah, I'm looking at Solana. But still, I guess since we're looking at Solana, we're talking about Solana now. But yeah, this push-up, huge fast push-up to 200 while gold crossed out in a 15-minute, but look at that weekly holding this damn thing tight. The monthly is extremely bullish still. You have all three of them leading away like they're supposed to. You have this, and it's just all, it's already took out these candles, so it's going to continue pushing up. But then you even go to the 3-month, and booyah, get ready for all time highs on Solana in Q4 and Q1. There you have it on the soul. That's going to happen. Alright, so. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin. Oh, Clashy. I knew it was something going on in the background with you, boy. I knew it was something going on. I knew it. I felt it. And as soon as I come over here, you. Alright, hold on. Let's do this. Damn, we was just at. Bro, this train has been live. You say he's cool, yeah. Man, my fault, man. I talked about so much. I don't even. I got lost on which person we talking about now. Oh, yeah. Okay, I can see why I just want to play around in this zone here. Get up here to this zone. It wake to that zone, but you get out of that zone. There's no base. Unless you want to look back that way. But we're looking at the 1 minute. Okay. Thousands and thousands and thousands of candles in this 1 minute. Since clashing around, so. Yeah, I guess but yeah, man, if coming out to Vegas, if I can get Nails to come out there, definitely take a flight, man. It's definitely something that I need to do. 30 and I've yet to be on an airplane. My wife probably been on a flight maybe a few dozen times. And I still have yet to get on one. Once I get on there, man, and I see that it's just like relaxing, it's chill, whatever, you know. I have a couple shots before I even get on the plane anyway, mellow me out. But man, watch out, because I'm be in Singapore and Dubai right off the bat. I really want to go to Singapore and Dubai. Definitely got some places to check out here in the U.S. though that I haven't been before I start traveling out the U.S. Hey Cam, man, are you a Warriors fan? Or which NBA team do you enjoy most? I seen I haven't watched the Warriors play this season, but I seen, man, they've been doing good. I mean, the Spurs has been doing amazing, man. Like, damn. 76ers, boy. I know the Sixers. They seem like they got a stacked team this season, man. Even that rookie that they brought in. It's nice to see the Pistons in the top 8. It's early though. Damn, the Nets is 0-5. Ew. Crazy. So Thunder and Spurs. See, they need to play each other, and they need to play each other. Okay. Who they lose to? Oh, they lost to the Trailblazers. What's their record? 3-2. Bro, it's crazy that the Spurs is undefeated, man. I mean, it's only 4 games in, but damn. I was watching, here, I'm gonna get, Bitcoin back past 110, sweet. I'm gonna let Clashy pump a little bit. See if we can get back to 54 million while I look this up. But man, I've been watching, I found this channel on YouTube, right? Called, you probably already know it. Maybe not, maybe you do. Awful Culture. This channel is fucking hilarious, man. He said Bronny James is the most useless player ever in history. I didn't see this one, but here, let me I want to laugh a little bit. I'm not gonna be able to hear it though, which y'all will be able to.
Roll. Jackson Hayes is coming to your side of the floor. I can already see your fucking defender turning his back to you. So I should already be kind of creeping up a little bit. Look at this. Jackson Hayes, when he catches this, is going to be looking for you. You stand in the fucking court and you can't shoot. You might as well get a ticket and sit courtside with these fine people. You should already be creeping up, and when Jackson Hayes catches this, bang, I'm backdoor for a layup. But you stand in the fucking corner. There's no place to go with the damn ball. This has nothing to do with fucking talent. Nothing. Bronny. Jared Vanderbilt has his man beat here. Your man is not in help. So what the fuck are you doing cutting across the floor as he has his fucking man beat? If you're gonna cut baseline this way. Look what you fucking do here. This is basketball brain dead. You just brought your defender into where Jared Vanderbilt's fucking driving to. Where are you going? You want to have a convo with JJ Redick? It's not a fucking timeout. How? just
Okay.
all
I'll-
fucking.
I have no idea what he's saying because I can't hear. But I'm pretty sure it was probably something goofy. I didn't see that specific video, but I watched 2 from that channel so far. I watched one either Monday or Tuesday, and the other one I watched about a week or 2 ago when it was still preseason. Man, this shit was so funny. It was funny. I needed those laughs. Alright, so I would expect Bitcoin to push up to at least retest this candle. Wait, the gold still. There's no way after this whole fucking day. Oh my goodness. After all this drama, you telling me that the white is still in front, the gold is in the middle, and the purple is on the back end. That is the recipe for pump. As I've been using OKX for 4 years. Oh, not the W formation on the white line. Pump City. It's time to pump it, pump it, pump it up. Oh, look at that. It already got back up here already. Boom. Boom. But yeah, Cam, out of all the teams in NBA, man, I enjoyed watching the Warriors play. It do sucks that Klay Thompson not there no more. I enjoyed him on the team. But other than the Warriors, man, I don't get a chance to watch much basketball anyway. But I would say it's kind of fun watching. Let me sit here and think. I don't watch many games, so I don't know. I have yet to see Wemby play. I want to watch one of the Spurs games. I want to see how see it live. I think the last game I watched was Lakers versus Pelicans last season. That's the last time I actually watched the game. And I got to see Zion play, Luka, LeBron, which I'm not a fan of LeBron at all. When was this? This was the last game I watched. How long ago that was? I don't even say Zion played. I know I seen Luka play. I thought I seen Zion play too. Oh well. Alright, it's one of those nights with Bitcoin taking the show. Can we get past 111? Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh man. Hey Cam, they got like some type of basketball rink out there in Vegas. Might have come out there Friday. Might have to come out there and like bring my shoes or something, play some games. Show them how us Detroit ballers play, man. Look, guys, the market is turning green though. Everything but pie. Okay. And I think I just removed it. Oh no, it went down. Oh, I see what I did. Oh, I'm learning. I'm probably the only person in that entire crypto server. That whole crow, huh? Everybody else sold off everything. Besides Bitcoin, got more class. I'm stubborn. So stronger right here. Yep, right here. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's not what I was trying to do. So annoying. What in the... Okay, this clearly not being friendly for me. Come on, just hold. Okay, you going to stay like that. Goofy. Hey, remember we talked about these hourly candles and like where this hourly candle is. The 4-hour candle got a little smaller. It got a little smaller. You still got 11 minutes on this candle. I think I'm gonna let this chill like this while we the 1 minute. The 5 minute look the best right now. The 5 minute looks the best right now. It's jumping up, man. We just jumped up on viewers too. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Charts of the Dark. We here. We live. Says 723. Where he at? That's crazy. This damn meme that Alberto made with with Shaq and George is hilarious, bro. That shit is priceless, man. Hey guys, I don't know. It's 7 people in here. I know the chat not really slept right now, so I don't know who's watching, who's asleep, who's yeah, whatever. But I want to see where this next hourly candle gonna be at. So I'm guaranteed to be live for at least a minimum. Ooh, clashy. Okay. No, see, I start to get excited. And Clashy wanna. Anyway, fellas, I'm gonna keep it on the 5-minute. Ooh, I don't even want to switch back to the 1 minute now. Ooh. Oh shit, I got a little too loud. Hold on. See, Clashy got me excited. Man, watch this. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh, you seen the turn? You seen the reversal? Did you see the reversal? Oh man, that's wild. Alright guys, look. This is the game plan. I got 8 people in here. Clashy playing around. I want to see where this 1 hour weekly candle is gonna open. I'm hoping that we don't get one of these. You know, that type of deal. We don't want that because we're going back to the blue line. So I want to see it get above 54 million between now and 4 a.m. And that brings us to the 4 hour. Okay. Ooh. Okay. That's all I'm saying. So I'm about to hop in the chat with y'all. I gotta walk away from the mic just for a few minutes. I know I'll probably lose some viewers, but that's okay. We got the jams on in the background. I know y'all can hear it. I can't. I'm jealous. But I gotta step off the mic for a few seconds here. So I'm gonna hop in the chat with y'all while I step out real quick. If you're curious what I'm stepping away for, you gotta text me on the chat. Anyway, let's get out of here. Let's catch this live. My fault about that, boys. I said we dropped a couple viewers since I stepped out for a quick second there. So you got this to close. Prediction was here, but it closed here. Just top of these. So I would guess this will close here. But if it really wanna get bullish on us, then it closes up here at 55 million. So look for this candle that we're in, because I won't be live for the next hour, between 54 and 55, which means, yep, this turns into, may still be red, but it turns into that candle where the next 4 hour get us out of this area, and we get ready to send this thing. I know you guys are ready for this. I'm ready. You're ready. We're all ready. It's always fun doing these late night stream with y'all. Oh man, that mm. 10 to 12 cent. $10 to 12 cents. Around the block, around the corner, down the street. I think we're gonna leave it here for the night. Get some snooze before I get up and get the kids ready for school. Just a couple minutes here. We'll talk about we don't want to see green, and then much we don't want to see that. If it did that, still think it'll hold the 50 million mark. this red candle. Like, and they just, but all signs are pointing towards a pump at some point today, Thursday, October 30th, 2025. And guys, I do have a live stream today. Around 2 p.m. Eastern. So that's guaranteed. And we'll see what Clash has for us on our stream then. Goodness, that's 3 yawns in a row. Shit. Alright, y'all, let's leave it here. And as soon as I wake up, I'll be looking at this. Thank you guys for coming in for another Charles After Dark stream. This is just the beginning. We got more to come, more fun to come. Yeah, let's see where we're at when we wake up. You guys have a good night.